Good morning all. It is the 20th of the 4th 2022. It is a Wednesday. We are currently on the chart GBPJPY on the 30-minute time frame. We can see yesterday, Tuesday, we had an extremely bullish day. Price just continued pushing up all day. What I wanted to discuss with you this morning is what I woke up pre-London this morning, and what I could see on the chart was a confirmed higher low here, and a trend line break here. So first of all, what we wait for then, because it's against the trend and against the 50 moving average, we wait for that break below and a close, which we got confirmed here on this large bearish candle. But then we're looking for a retracement back to the 8 moving average for an entry. Obviously I was asleep during this period, so I'd missed the perfect entry here. For me would have been right here. So if I mark that with an arrow, we can see it right here. There, that retracement all the way back up to structure here, and then a touch of the 8 moving average here would have been a great entry, with our stops being around this area here. We didn't get that, so I analysed the chart, seen all this going on. Then when I woke, what I wanted was another confirmed entry, another confirmed close beneath the 50, which we got here, and that was enough for me. I could have waited then for another retracement back to the 8, but I anticipated price just to carry on down, which sometimes happens, and we get either a late retracement to the 8 or none at all, and the trade's just gone too far for even to consider an entry. So I waited. I knew we had a close below the 50 here. I missed the retracement to the 8 here. I then decided around here I'm going to wait until we get another close beneath the 50, showing downward momentum. This was okay. I could have waited for a close below structure here, a horizontal 1 hour level here, but I was happy to more than take that second close beneath the 50, and that was my entry. So again, stop loss placed 1-to-1 first position. We haven't hit my break even yet. We were just short of it on this bearish candle, so I'm waiting for hopefully price to hit my break even. Then I'll move my stop loss on my second position down, and we'll let that run, monitor that trailing stops as price moves down, if that's what happens. I'll update you tomorrow on this trade and see how this plays out, and I hope you all have a great trading day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Catch you later.